everyone, this is Sarah Lonergan, and I am here with Jack McLaughlin, and our emerging trends topic is about ChatGPT and understanding OpenAI. So first, just an overview of what is ChatGPT. It is the software that acts as a personal assistant in both a professional and personal manner. We'll hear on later in the presentation the different tasks that it can perform and the benefits it can have for you and your company. The history of ChatGPT is that the original model was actually introduced in 2018, but it was launched in November 2022. So it has undergone many different stages in the development process. It's gone from the original GPT all the way down to ChatGPT, and now there is GPT 4.0, which Jack will talk about later into the presentation. But so it is a fairly new generative system that is for public use, and some of the general capabilities of it is that it can have conversational understanding, so it can engage in like the natural human-like conversations. It can create content, retrieve information. So it has a ton of general capabilities that is useful for the human. But the overall model of ChatGPT is based off of language models, and language models is an algorithm produced to summarize, translate, and generate human sounding text to convey and portray ideas and concepts.
Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into the key features. So first we're going to talk about the natural language processing. And this is one of the standout features of ChatGPT, is its ability to understand and generate human-like text. It processes and responds in natural language, making interactions with it feel more intuitive and engaging. This ability is powered by advanced machine learning techniques and large data sets that enable ChatGPT to understand the nuance of human language, whether it's answering questions, providing recommendations, or engaging in casual conversation. ChatGPT excels at creating meaningful interactions. So the next one is contextual awareness. Now, ChatGPT excels in maintaining context within a conversation. It can remember the flow of the dialogue, which allows for more coherent and relevant responses over the course of an interaction. This contextual awareness enhances the user's experience significantly. For example, if you're having a conversation about your favorite movies, ChatGPT can remember your preferences and tailor its responses accordingly. This level of contextual understanding is crucial for creating a seamless and engaging user experience. So finally, we have customization, which is another important feature in the model's customability. Users can fine-tune ChatGPT to better suit specific needs and applications, whether it's for customer support, content creation, or other specialized tasks. This flexibility means it is a versatile tool for a wide range of industries. Businesses can integrate ChatGPT into existing systems and workflows, adapting its responses to align with their brand voice and operational requirements. This customability extends to language preferences, tone, and even the complexity of responses.
So next, we're going to dive into the applications of ChatGPT. Listed on the screen are just a few of the many different applications and wide range of applications that ChatGPT offers. First, to start with customer service and support, ChatGPT assists with queries or questions, troubleshooting, and provides general information when prompted to. Next is content creation. ChatGPT has the ability to generate articles, blog posts, and even creative writing based on the input that you put into the system. Next is education and tutoring. ChatGPT has the ability to help with explanations, tutoring, and overall learning assistance. An example that comes to mind is when you're trying to help a friend in a class and explain what is going on, but you can't quite put it in a manner that they will understand or that makes sense to them. So ChatGPT has the ability to simplify or go into greater detail about a topic of your choosing. ChatGPT also has the ability with programming help. It can provide code examples, debugging assistance, and explanations of programming concepts. It also has the ability to translate languages and also help you practice different languages. Because of that language model that we were talking about earlier, it has the ability to learn and know and perfect a wide range of languages. It can also be used just for pure entertainment. It has the ability to mimic human-like interactions. So an application of that could be even practicing for an interview or practicing for a presentation. You can have human-like conversations with ChatGPT. And lastly, as listed on the presentation, it can help with personal assistance. It can manage schedules, set reminders, and provide other organizational tasks to help you or your business in that manner.
Okay, let's go ahead and get into the benefits of using ChatGPT. First one we're going to talk about is efficiency and productivity. So ChatGPT helps businesses streamline operations by automating routine tasks and providing instant responses to customer queries. This not only reduces the workload for human staff, but it can also speed up processes, leading to greater overall efficiency and productivity. For instance, in customer service, ChatGPT can handle a large volume of inquiries simultaneously, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues. This results in faster response times and a more efficient use of resources. Now let's get into the scalability. One of the major advantages of ChatGPT is its scalability. Whatever you need to handle a small number of interactions or scale up to 1,000,000 conversations, ChatGPT can manage this with ease, making it suitable for businesses of all sizes. The scalability is particularly beneficial for growing businesses, those experiencing seasonal spikes in demand. ChatGPT can adjust to meet the varying levels of demand without compromising on performance or user experience. Finally, we have the enhanced user experience. By delivering fast, accurate, and contextually relevant responses, ChatGPT enhances user satisfaction. Its ability to engage in natural conversations ensures that the user feels understood and valued, which is crucial for building strong customer relationships. Additionally, ChatGPT's 24/7 availability ensures that users can receive assistance and support at any time, improving overall accessibility and convenience. This continuous availability is a significant advantage in today's fast-paced, globalized world.
We also wanted to bring up the limitations of ChatGPT because it is a fairly new generative tool. There will be some limitations. First, it has the potential for generating incorrect information. The accuracy of the program is not always accurate based on the user's input, as well as the context of what you are hoping to get. There's also a bias in training data. So that means that the tool itself is based off of input of data being input and a training program. And you may see bias throughout your responses and throughout the responses that GPT is giving you based on the training data that is provided, because it is a computer and it is a program, it's not a human. There's also ethical considerations, again, along the lines of not being human. It's still a computer, so it does not have the compassion or the emotions that humans have. Some other things I wanted to mention that aren't listed on the screen is difficult with context understanding. Sometimes when multiple questions or requests are made throughout a conversation with ChatGPT has the ability to lose context of the original request. And that is just based over long conversations. There's also a sensitivity related to the input. So that can be kind of called a user error. However, it is the flaw of GPT. If the user is not putting in an explanation or a long enough request, the program will not produce what the user is hoping for or wanting out of the program. Lastly, there's also a lack of common sense. Again, it's not ChatGPT is a program and does not have human emotions or human tendencies. So it may not always apply logical reasoning or real world knowledge effectively in the manner that a human would. These limitations can affect the reliability of ChatGPT and its usefulness in certain situations and certain contexts.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about future developments in ChatGPT. So let's talk about ChatGPT 4.0, which is something I personally use. And looking ahead, the development of ChatGPT 4 is definitely an exciting milestone. This next iteration promises even more advanced capabilities, including better natural language understanding and generation, which will further improve the quality of interactions. With enhancements in algorithm efficiency and more extensive training data, ChatGPT 4 is expected to set new benchmarks in controversial AI. This version will likely offer improved accuracy, faster response times, and an even deeper understanding of context. So, moving over to research in AI ethics and safety. As AI technology continues to evolve, research into AI ethics and safety is becoming increasingly important. OpenAI is committed to ensuring that AI systems like ChatGPT are used responsibly and ethically, minimizing risks and maximizing benefits for society. This includes ongoing work to address issues such as bias, transparency, and user privacy by focusing on ethical considerations. OpenAI aims to build trust and ensure that AI technology is developed and deployed in ways that are fair and beneficial to all. So finally, we're going to get into the expansion of capabilities and applications. We can expect to see a broadening of ChatGPT's capabilities and applications from with new technologies to exploring innovative use cases in various industries. The future holds immense potential for what ChatGPT can achieve. Potential future applications can include enhanced support for multilingual communication, more sophisticated problem-solving abilities, and integration with emerging technologies, for example, augmented reality and Internet of Things. These advancements will open up new possibilities and drive further innovation.
As we've learned, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for natural language processing, and it offers diverse applications from customer support to content creation. While it excels in generating human-like text and engaging in conversation, it also has limitations that we mentioned, such as potential inaccuracies and biases. As Jack just mentioned, ongoing improvements will enhance its reliability and effectiveness, making it a valuable resource for various tasks.